a real man in 2024 does laundry like this. First, he puts his clothes in the laundry. Then, he puts his soap pod on the top. He closes the lid. And like 1, 2, 3, well, this would be 1 actually. You're going to add funds to your account. You have to swipe to select your machine. And then you swipe to send a payment to the machine. And then a real man goes to his PayRange and he opens up the app. That's when he selects his washer. We're going to do washer number 65. And then we slide to pay. And that's it. It'll let me know in the app when it's ready. Oh shit. I gotta wash my clothes. Where did I put my app? Where did I put my phone? I mean my app. I got all these quarters and I can't wash laundry because it takes an app. Ah!